Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to withdraw money from TikTok in 2025. So if you want to withdraw your TikTok earnings, so whether it's gift, creators fund or TikTok rewards, this guide will show you how to withdraw money from TikTok in 2025. So open TikTok and go to your profile. Then after opening your profile, click three-line icon at the top right, click on balance. Now here you will see your earnings from gifts, live or creator fund. So here, you'll have to simply select a withdrawal method. You can choose PayPal, bank transfer or TikTok rewards. Some countries have different payout options based on your TikTok's policies. Now, step 3 is withdrawing your money. So you can see that your coins or balance will be available just right here. Click on estimated balance and it will redirect you to another page where you can easily withdraw your money. So if you'll have any earnings available, you can just click on that specific earning and you will get the withdrawal option just right there. You can click on view passed out and see the past payout. Now, you'll have to set up a payment method. Click on this icon at the top right. Now, set up a payment method by clicking on payment method and you'll have to simply add a payment method. You can add PayPal, bank transfer or TikTok rewards payout through gift cards or cash. Now, some countries have different payout options based on TikTok's policies. So method 1 is withdrawing with PayPal. So tap withdraw and choose PayPal, enter your PayPal email, confirm the withdrawal amount and tap confirm and withdraw. Method 2 is withdrawing via bank transfer. You'll have to simply select bank transfer, enter the account number, bank name and SWIFT code and confirm the withdrawal amount and tap withdraw. So the processing time will be 3 to 7 business days. And that's how you withdraw money from TikTok in 2025. If this guide helped, like and subscribe for more TikTok money tips. See you in the next one.